I think it should start.
Calling for a suspension, and that's what longtime Cincinnati City Council member David Mann is saying about Tamaya Dennard's future.
WCPO 9 News reporter Jake Ryle joins us live right now from the newsroom.
He is breaking down what leaders at City Hall have said regarding the charges against Dennard. Jake, what do you know?
Well, guys, there's a really big question mark on what's going to happen next with Tamaya Dennard, and it really depends on the city and state law. They're both conflicting. While Dennard's attorney stresses these are just allegations and she has a presumption of innocence, some former and current city council members are hopeful for due process so the city can move past this quickly. For Councilman P.G. Sittenfeld,
this has been a sad, rough couple days for our city.
He calls Tamaya Dennard a friend and colleague. He wouldn't weigh in on if Dennard should resign.
I am praying for her. Everyone deserves due process, and I'm going to respect that process as it unfolds.
Federal prosecutors accused Dennard of trying to exchange city council votes for money.
It's very, very sad.
Councilman David Mann says the past 24 hours have been tough.
This is very hard for all of us. It just is. We have personal relationships. We're all very disappointed, and we're trying to work through, at the end of the day, what's best for the city.
The focus, he says, is now on reestablishing trust.
We've never had this kind of conduct by a public official. In my experience, City Hall is an ethical place.
And it's for that reason, he says, the Attorney General or Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters should begin the process of suspending Dennard from City Council.
If these allegations are true, or if there's no credible explanation of innocence, she needs to resign.
Mayor John Cranley agrees.
The most disturbing allegations of corruption that I have witnessed or even heard of.
Cranley says folks in Cincinnati need an explanation for what happened. That's something that could come forward through the legal process.
It's my expectation that this is going to resolve itself soon in a way that allows the city to move forward.
You heard from Mayor Cranley during that meeting. The only other council member to speak on the issue during the meeting was Greg Landsman. Jake Ryle, WCPO 9 News.